Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some pizza. In this bowl here, this is 3 cups of flour, 1.5 yeast, 2 sugar, gonna be half tablespoon of salt, and some lukewarm water. And I'm gonna start the process. Alright, mixing it. This is 1 cup of water. Alright. I have this is some flour here. This is a dusting. Alright. Now that I finish rolling it mixing it, I'm gonna put it together, cover it, and put it for raise, right? Half an hour, and then I will be back. Right? The dough has raised. I didn't allow it to raise fully, so I'm gonna punch it down one more time, and I'm gonna throw it out on this bowl, on this surface. Make sure the surface is clean. And I must let you guys know that I do not have a pizza pan. So what I'm gonna roll it out the same round the same way, but I'm gonna use a square pan to bake this pizza. All right. I know I didn't show you guys the ingredients. I just wanted to make sure that I get this together. So the ingredients is some chicken, pepperoni, tomato, red pepper, red tomato, green bell pepper, and some red onions. I'm sorry, along with some cheese and some tomato sauce. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna use this pan here to bake the pizza. This pan here. I don't have the wrong one. And this chicken I season up and I dice it like this. I fry it up and I dice it. I strip it, then dice it. Alright? I'm not rolling it thin. It's still got a little thickness in between. Alright, this is it. And I'm gonna the oven is hotting, so I'm gonna use this. Roll it all over. Then I'm gonna take the pepperoni and I'm gonna put it around it. So look at it. I'm gonna put it now into the oven and then I'm gonna roll out it one more. Alright, stay tuned. I want this pepperoni all over this pizza. Then you're gonna take the chicken, every corner that you could put this chicken, you put it. Remember, season up this chicken and everything. right? I didn't show you guys because I'm trying to make this video short as possible. I mean, not too long. I want it to be short and sweet, right? And then the tomatoes in between every spot that you can. Remember, everything that I put in here is optional. Some people don't like tomato, so you don't have to use it. All right. And then I'm gonna put this in for 15 minutes in this. Tell me how it looks, guys. And this is the red onion. This is optional. Everything that I'm using here is optional. And then I'm gonna take some more cheese and I'm gonna put it here. You want it to be cheesy, all right? And then I'm gonna put this in the oven. For 50 minutes. Stay tuned. This is it. Lots of cheese. At the ends, crisp. Chicken, pepperoni, pizza. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.